Welcome to the dental practice of Dr. John Fish. Off the beaten path in a setting rather unlike a dentist's office, you're about to be introduced to an environment that gives a first-hand look at why so many Carolinians entrust the health and appearance of their smile to Dr. Fish. Built in 1996, patients feel welcomed in an environment that doesn't look, feel, or smell like a dental office. Yet, looks can be deceiving, and in this case, that's in a good way. Adults are surrounded by some of the most advanced dental technology in the country. For example, Dr. Fish's office uses an iCat unit, which is a dental CT scanner. This computerized imaging system provides three-dimensional imaging of the jaws, nerves, and sinuses. Dr. Fish uses these images as visual aids for patients during the explanation of different procedures. He also relies on them for diagnosis, treatment planning, accurate views of impacted teeth, and even for virtual placement of dental implants.
The number one benefit is we can place the implants directly through the gums without the need for a surgical incision. First of all, we can be much more accurate in our implant placement. And secondly, the patients who've had it done this way tell us there's almost no pain or swelling afterwards.
A room-to-room digital network creates many advantages for patients. The most obvious being large image viewing on monitors angled for the treatment chair. Plus, this level of magnification aids in early diagnosis, so small problems can be addressed before they become big ones. For those who wish to replace teeth with dental implants, many seek Dr. Fish out specifically for that particular skill, coming from locations all across North Carolina. He has achieved diplomate status with the American Board of Oral Implantology and is a fellow of both the American Academy of Implant Dentistry and Academy of General Dentistry. He is also a member of the American Dental Association and Dental Implant Associates of North Carolina. But his patients are the first to tell you it's his caring, compassionate nature that impresses them most when they first meet him.
I had been to other dentists and implant and had consults, and the last one I went to before I found Dr. Fish said, "We're sorry, we can't help you. There's too much bone loss, and I'm sorry, we just can't do anything for you." And I left that office feeling like that was the end. I mean, it was over, and I just cried all the way home because I was so helpless. And that's when I went to the internet, started searching, and I had actually, seen Dr. Fish's information on the internet and came and met with him, and I just felt good about what he was telling me and that somebody was actually going to give me some hope that I could actually have this done. I was excited.
Although dentures, partials, and crown and bridge combinations are still used to replace missing teeth in the right circumstances, the preferred tooth replacement method is implant dentistry for a number of reasons.
Since I've had my implants, I can chew and eat anything that I couldn't eat before. I can chew steaks, I can eat apples, and never bother me a bit. It just like my original teeth, they really are.
The fact that the partial was uncomfortable so much, I would take it off the minute I came home. And there have been times I have lost it. And putting it back in when someone came to the door, putting it back in, it just got to the point I just did not want to deal with that anymore. And now it's just great just to wake up in the morning and brush your teeth and take off. I just love it.
The ability to eat comfortably and laugh without worry isn't the only goal for Carolina Smiles. While a flattering smile enhances your appearance, it can also boost self-confidence and self-esteem.
You feel a lot more confident when you have a new smile in your mouth, being able to show off a little bit. I've already had several people at work come up to me and say there's something different, and they didn't really know. So yeah, it makes a difference. Even a little subtle approach makes a big difference sometimes.
I was getting self-conscious of my smile before, and after I finished, the process was about 1.5 years, almost 2 years, but it was well worth it.
Your smile can impact your well-being far greater than mere appearance. Unfortunately, an estimated 50% of Americans do not visit the dentist on a regular basis. This parallels the fact that approximately 50% of American adults experience some level of anxiety when going to the dentist. For these adults, Dr. Fish offers several methods of relaxation, including oral and IV sedation.
One thing that makes us really unique is that we have the very latest techniques and technology. The other side of it is we're a very one-on-one office. We spend quite a lot of time and effort determining your needs and expectations, and I think that makes us really exceptional at delivering the kind of care that you really deserve.
From the friendly faces who greet you, to the ambiance of the office, to the clinical team who performs your care, patients go through each visit knowing their comfort is always a priority. Their preferences and concerns are respected, and they are seen as individuals with important needs, some big, some not as much. And while the technology and advanced skills are important, it's the personal touch and the caring touch that can't be seen, but only experienced, that makes such a difference to so many. You're invited to experience the exceptional dental care of Dr. John Fish. To arrange an appointment, call 828-397-5514 or visit smilehere.com. New patients are always welcomed.